So we are about to get started on day 1 of our cooperative strip paragraph. Let's check it out. Our main idea or topic sentence this week is, there are 5 climate zones on the earth. Who can tell me what this relates to? Marissa. What we are learning in science. Here is our map of the different climate zones. So things that you could possibly think about to come up with a supporting detailed sentence for our main idea is describing what a climate zone is. Talking about a specific climate zone. Describing it with good academic vocabulary, adjectives. Making good 3rd grade sentences. All right, so let's read this topic sentence together one more time. Ready, read. There are 5 climate zones on the earth. Heads together. When you have a sentence that you're ready with, let me know and I will come around with your sentence strip. Can I put more what?
And the bouncy ball.
Yes, but I'm not going to do that right now, Leo. I'll do it when you're at recess, okay? All right. Already?
Yeah.
Okay.
We said one of the climate zones is the desert, and it is the driest climate.
Okay, I like it. I like that you're using some descriptive words. Okay, so remember today what we are doing is we are reading through our work and we are just going to highlight the parts of our work that we really like and want to make sure we keep, and that's it. We'll think in our heads about how we can start switching things around tomorrow. But today we're reading it through and we're just highlighting what we like. So, ready, read. There are 5 climate zones on the earth. One of the 5 climate zones is the desert, and it is the driest and hottest climate of them all. For example, the desert is very dry and hot and no water. First of all, these are the 5 climate zones: polar, temperate, desert, mild, tropical. The tropical climate zone is hot all summer and winter, and you can see very green rainforests. Where we live, it's the temperate zone. The summers are hot and the winters are cold. Every season there is a big change. Wow. All right. Quick question. What type of writing are we doing? Raise your hand if you can tell me. Jeffrey. Informational. And what is the purpose, Jeffrey, of informational writing?
To write about
Tell or teach the reader what? About a
passage. About text.
A person, place, thing, idea, or event, right? And what are we telling the reader? What we think, or are we telling them facts? Facts. Nice job. Okay. What do you want to make sure we preserve in this writing when we start revising and editing? What are some things that you really think are good parts of this writing? Jeffrey?
For example?
You like that for example, where, right here, okay? You like that phrase, for example, that links a statement to evidence. Valerie? First of all. Right. Some of those words that help the reader kind of make sense of it all. I like it. Avery?
Polar, temperate, desert, mild, and tropical.
So you like all of those science words that are in there. So you like, let's see. How about here? Polar, temperate, desert, mild, tropical. Okay?
Wow.
Leo?
Desert.
You like desert. Can I just keep that one highlighted to make sure we want to keep it? You like blue tables, okay?
Desert.
Hunter.
I think we should highlight hot, all summer and winter.
All summer, and tell me what color it is, Hunter.
Green.
Green. Hot all summer and winter. Okay, gotcha. And Aiden.
Climate.
Climate. So you like that word climate. All of these great scientific words. Okay. Nice. Okay. I would like you to, at this time, put your heads together and talk about, can we look at repeated information and combine? Is the order of the sentences correct? Is there anything we need to add or take away? Heads together. Great. Thanks for wrapping it up. Leo, what did you and Cole talk about?
Cole and me are talking about put the archer on the top.
So you think this orange sentence, can we read it together, Leo?
Yeah.
First of all, these are the 5 climate zones: polar, temperate, desert, mild, tropical. Why did you guys feel that needed to go at the top, Leo?
Because it sounds like a little more sense.
So you think that talking about what the climate zones are makes more sense at the beginning of the paragraph than in the middle? Does everybody agree?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to move. Kaylee.
Wait, is it revising where you can add words then?
Of course.
Because in most sentences, if there's 3 or more words that like stay a list, like polar, temperate, desert, mild, tropical,
Uh-huh.
I think it should go polar, temperate, desert, mild, and tropical.
Okay, so you want to end that list by indicating to the reader that that is the last one by adding the word "and" right here. So, we did some really good work yesterday. Let's think really hard. Is there anything we would like to change or add, combine or take away to make this a better paragraph? We're going to do a quick heads together so that you can talk your ideas out with a partner. So find an elbow partner and turn and talk. Marissa.
I still don't think this goes good right there because where it says, first of all, these are the 5 climate zones: polar, temperate, desert, and mild and tropical. I feel like it should start with this one and go with that one, and then have that one at the end.
This one at the end because that's kind of an example of where we live.
Yeah.
My friend Landon, can you move right here behind Gabby? Thanks for being engaged, friend. Okay, let's try that out. Let's try moving it at the end. And here's why I think Marissa is on to something.
Because it ends with tropical.
When we write informational writing, we have a main idea, and then we explain, we elaborate, and then we give an example. This is an example of a climate zone where we live. So it makes sense that we might put that near the end of our writing. So let's just give that a try. Do you want me to keep these in the same order, green and brown, in the order they're in, and just move them up and the red at the bottom? Okay, let's give that a try. Okay, we have really done some hard work revising our paragraph. Today, it's our job to edit. And edit means that we are finding the mistakes with spelling, punctuation, capitalization, commas, periods, exclamation points. So we're going to read it through first, Kaylee, right? And then we're going to talk about it.
Wait,
Riley.
On the last one, where we live is the temperate zone, I think that comma, since it has another one, it should end the sentence right here, and then it should.
Okay, so you think we should put a period after zone, start a new sentence, because this is kind of a long sentence. Let's read it together. Where we live, it's the temperate zone. The summers are hot, the winters are cold. Every season is a big change. There's lots of ideas in there. Does it make sense to stop it here? Let's try it with the period. Friends,
That's it.
I need you to listen because we're going to try it out with the period and see how it sounds. Colton, face forward. Thank you. Where we live, it's the temperate zone. The summers are hot and the winters are cold. Every season there is a big change. Yeah. I like that better. I think. All right, I think that we are done. So, guess what, Landon? You get to take us through reading it all together.
Yay!
3, 2, 1.
There are the 5 climate zones on the earth. The 5 climate zones are tropical, desert, mild, polar, and temperate. The tropical climate zone is hot all summer and winter, and you can see very green rainforests. Another of the zones is the desert, and it is the driest and hottest climate of them all. The mild climate has warm winters and hot summers. On the other hand, the polar climate has cold summers and cold winters. Where we live, it's the temperate zone. The summers are hot and the winters are cold. Every season there is a big change.